So, hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Techno Expert. Today I will teach you another trick or a shortcut about Microsoft Excel. I've already uploaded many videos regarding Microsoft Excel, which you can see in my YouTube channel. I will request you to kindly subscribe, watch, share, and request any topic you want to see in my channel. So Microsoft Excel is deep as an ocean, but unfortunately, common people only use this to make any list mostly. But Microsoft Excel has many hidden functions that everyone should know. Now, even when you are typing a list or making a list, you can use this function. For example, now you are making a list about attendance or different countries or any list. You may accidentally retype one item, one name twice, thrice, multiple times accidentally. It does happen. So to overcome this problem, many people start from top to bottom and they recheck the list to see if they have accidentally write any duplicate. This may take time and this can cause human error. So, but now I can teach you how to remove that duplicate easily without any human error. For example, let me type the heading: how to remove duplicate in Excel. Okay. For example, you are making a list about different countries: USA, Canada, Brazil, Turkey, USA, China, Pakistan, Bhutan, Brazil, India, Maldives, Oman, Pakistan, India. So as you can see that I've make this list, and this list has about 14 counts. But you may see that some countries are repeated. For example, USA, Canada. I've retyped even Pakistan and India. But this only has 14, so you can easily count and find duplicates. But if you have more than 140 entries, 140 counts, then it will be very difficult for you to check the duplicates and to remove them. So now I can teach you how to remove those. So first of all, you select the list. Now after selecting the list, you will have to go to the option on the above, which is called data. As you can see that this is data. After that, you will see this option: remove duplicates, delete duplicates rows from a sheet. Select it. Now this is now since my data is only mentioned in the column E, if I had data on also different columns, so this is why this is asking the permission to remove the duplicates. If I also had the data in the column F, then you can select or deselect that column. It's up to you. Now I'm selecting this. Look, 4 duplicates found and removed, 10 unique values remain. Now these are the 10 unique entries, or which are only mentioned once. From this you can easily remove the duplicates. Now this is all. My example was very easy, was very simple, and was very short. Just to give you an idea how to use this option to remove duplicates. But you can use it for the multiple entries. That entries may be above 50 or 100. I hope this will help you. I always try to teach you something unique, new, innovative. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and watch my channel, and request any topic you want to see. Thank you so much, Techno Expert. Bye.